The PicassoTab X11 Drawing Tablet offers a complete learning package that includes access to premium drawing and animation apps, making it ideal for beginners looking to dive into digital art. With its step-by-step tutorials through the Artixo app, the X11 is perfect for novice artists aiming to develop or refine their skills with ease. The tablet's 11-inch Full HD screen with anti-glare technology provides an immersive drawing experience, mimicking a paper-like feel for precision stylus interaction. Equipped with 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and an advanced octa-core processor, the X11 ensures smooth multitasking beyond just drawing. Lightweight and compact, the PicassoTab X11 is a versatile tool designed for artists on the go, offering both beginners and experienced creators the power to create anywhere. The X11's integration of premium creative tools and guided learning resources makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their artistic journey.